Welcome back! In today's lesson, you're going to learn 10 practical business English sentences that professionals use in real situations, when dealing with suppliers, placing orders, discussing timelines, and communicating clearly at work. These sentences will help you sound confident, polite, and professional, whether you're buying, selling, or managing business conversations. Let's get started and make your business English more natural and effective. Sentence 1. What's your best price on this? When you are buying products for your shop or business, negotiating the price is a normal and important part of the process. This sentence helps you ask for a better deal in a polite, confident, and professional way.
Now, let's use this sentence in a real purchasing situation so you can hear how it sounds naturally. For example, when visiting a factory outlet,
This is our standard rate.
okay, what's your best price on this?
Here's another example you might hear during a bulk order discussion.
If you increase the quantity, we can talk.
That's good. What's your best price on this? It shows that you understand business and that you are serious about managing your costs without sounding rude or aggressive.
Now take a moment and say it in the calm tone.
What's your best price on this?
Excellent, that sounded right. This sentence helps you sound confident, practical, and experienced in business deals. Let's move to the next one.
Sentence number 2. Can you include delivery in the cost?
When you run a business, the product price alone is not the full picture. Delivery, transport, and handling charges can affect your final profit. The wording allows you to bring up delivery costs clearly and professionally, so there are no surprises later.
Now, let's put this sentence into a real purchasing situation and hear how it fits naturally. Example 1. While finalizing an order, the price is fixed for the items.
All right, can you include delivery in the cost?
Example 2. During a larger order discussion, transport will be charged separately.
Can you include delivery in the cost if we increase the order? This sounds polite, practical, and shows that you plan carefully. Let's practice this sentence. Pause briefly and repeat it in a calm tone.
Can you include delivery in the cost? Well done! Keep that flow. Using this sentence helps you protect your budget and sound professional at the same time. Now, let's look at another sentence.
Sentence 3. We need to stay within our budget. In business, spending control is just as important as sales. Such a structure makes you clearly express financial limits without sounding negative or uncooperative. It's useful when prices increase, extra options are offered, or costs start going beyond your plan.
Here is an example while reviewing options with a supplier. This version has additional features.
It looks useful, but we need to stay within our budget.
Another example of internal planning. Should we spend more on packaging?
Maybe later, but right now we need to stay within our budget.
Say it once more, calm and steady.
We need to stay within our budget.
You're doing great. It is really useful to show responsibility and financial awareness. Let's continue with a new idea. Fourth sentence. This product sells well in my area. Successful buying decisions come from understanding customer demand. It may explain your choice confidently, based on real experience rather than guesswork.
Now, let's place this sentence into a practical selling environment. At a wholesale meeting. Why are you ordering this item again?
Because this product sells well in my area.
Another example while discussing quantities. Are you sure about the volume?
Yes, this product sells well in my area. It builds trust because it shows you know your market. Take a breath and repeat it calmly. This product sells well in my area. Nice work. Keep that tone. This sentence makes you sound confident and informed. Next, we have something new.
Sentence number 5. I'd like to place a repeat order.
Long-term business relationships grow when quality and trust remain consistent. This sentence allows you to clearly express satisfaction and continue working with the same supplier. Now, let's hear how this sounds during ongoing business dealings. On a follow-up call. How was the last shipment?
Everything went well. I'd like to place a repeat order.
Do you want the same items again?
Yes, I'd like to place a repeat order.
It sounds professional and shows reliability.
Okay, now let's practice the sentence. I'd like to place a repeat order. Well done! This expression offers a chance to strengthen long-term business connections. Now we'll go forward.
Sixth sentence. We're running low on stock. In business, noticing stock levels early helps you avoid lost sales. It helps you explain that items are nearly finished and action is needed soon. It sounds practical and shows that you manage inventory carefully.
Let's see how this sentence works in a practical buying discussion. First, during a supplier call.
Supplier. Do you need anything this week?
You? Yes, we're running low on stock.
Second. Should we reorder this item?
Yes, we're running low on stock already.
People frequently say this before submitting a fresh order.
Use a soft tone and repeat it.
We're running low on stock. Good rhythm. Let's look at one more.
Seventh. Let's review the numbers first. Business decisions feel safer when they're based on figures. This expression makes it easier to slow things down and check costs before agreeing to anything. It sounds thoughtful and professional.
Let's listen to how this sounds during a professional discussion about figures. During a pricing discussion. We can finalize the deal today.
Before that, let's review the numbers first. While planning expenses. Should we approve this now?
Let's review the numbers first. Before making a final decision, this sentence fits naturally. Let's keep going. Eighth sentence. We'll need this delivered on time. Timing matters in business, especially when sales depend on stock arrival. This expression offers a chance to clearly state expectations without sounding demanding.
Let's listen to how this sounds during a business discussion about delivery timelines. Example 1. While confirming delivery, the order will be shipped soon.
Great. We'll need this delivered on time.
Example 2. When you are closer to a deadline, there may be a short delay.
I understand, but we'll need this delivered on time. It protects both your availability and your reputation. Now the next part is coming up.
9th. Let's keep the pricing competitive. Price often decides whether customers buy or walk away. Such phrasing feels natural in conversations about margins and helps maintain a cooperative tone around pricing.
Let's listen to how this sounds during a professional discussion on market competition. Costs have increased slightly.
I understand, but let's keep the pricing competitive.
While planning sales strategy, should we raise prices?
Maybe later. For now, let's keep the pricing competitive. Repeat the sentence in a composed tone. Let's keep the pricing competitive. Proud of your progress. This sentence shows market awareness. Okay, let's learn the final one.
The last sentence. We appreciate your business.
Strong businesses grow through respect and good relationships. This sentence helps you end interactions on a positive and professional note. It works well with customers and suppliers alike.
At the end of a deal, this sounds very natural. For example, I'll process this today.
Perfect. We appreciate your business. After completing a sale,
Thank you for your help.
you're welcome. We appreciate your business.
Take a brief pause, then repeat it calmly. We appreciate your business. Nicely done. This sentence builds trust and long-term relationships.
Great job! You've just learned 10 useful business English sentences that can improve the way you communicate in real business situations. Practice these sentences, try using them in your daily work conversations, and notice how much more confident you sound. If this lesson helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss future lessons. Feel free to comment below and tell me which sentence you found most useful.